Hey YouTube, Gear Driven 101 here. Got a quick little video for you guys. It's a little bit of a side take on my wheel balancing series that I'm trying to do. Basically, it's on removing the old adhesive from stick-on weights on the modern wheels. I have a little trick that works a little better than the rubber eraser method, and I wanted to show you guys. And basically, it's relevant in the fact that when you go to balance a wheel, you got the stick-on weights. Balancer says put it here. Guess what? The old stick-on weight adhesive is there. You got to scrape it off. Then you got to clean it and everything else, and it's just a bit of a pain in the butt. So I came up with something that makes it a little easier. Let me just show you. Alright, so here I have a cordless drill here, and I have a bristle brush. Right here. This is a bristle brush from a kit that I got on Amazon. It's for cleaning out like the tiles and stuff in tubs from the grime and stuff. So I thought, hey, give it a shot. See if it will basically rub off the old adhesive. Now it seems to work really well for foam-based adhesive stick-on weights. And so I got here. I'm going to show you right there. You can see that old wheel weight adhesive. I'm going to clean that off for you guys. Now, a lot of people, if you've looked into this before, they use something like this, which is basically like a big rubber eraser. This works better than that, I feel. A couple downsides to this, which basically you just put on a drill and you do the same thing concept, is it's hard to control, and you can also burn through the paint. This brush is much less likely to do that, and it's a lot easier to control. So I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm going to demonstrate using it and the results. Alright, as you can see here, did a real good job at cleaning it up. Now there's a tiny bit of residue left. It's not actually scratched. You can see here where it's no adhesive. And I used it, it's clean. Made pretty quick work of it. So, I wouldn't put force on the brush as I'm using it. I would just let the brush do its job. And, I think you guys, if you give it a shot, you'll have some good success like I have. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.